Winds northeast 5 to 10. 56 mostly clear. Could have some patchy fog developing tonight. We'll have those winds out of the northeast at 5 miles per hour. Here's your forecast with the weekend always in view. 82 degrees tomorrow. There's that slight warming trend this weekend. 83 Saturday. The forecast remains on track. Dry days, nice nights, even a little.
Now we got evidence of Joey on the table for Daddy. Hey, Daddy, how Joey plays. No? Close it up and we better get down. Are you supposed to be on that table, Joey? Let me see if I'm supposed to be up here. Can you come down, Joey? Come down off the table. Come on down. Yes, no? Yeah? Come on down. Yeah, you're performing for the camera. Yeah, I know.
Corey used to read to Kylie at night, but now she reads to him. That's coming up today at 4 on Oprah. Then stay tuned for Eyewitness News at 5, right here on Channel 9.
A gas station owner says he's sick and tired of being a victim of crime. Why the owner was ready to fight back when armed robbers entered his store. Some people might call it a snapshot of the news.
That's a good job. Yeah, you came down. Good boy. That was good. Is Fruit Loops good? Uh-oh, gonna share with Emmy? Here comes Emmy. She's gonna get some too. Oh, we like feeding Emily.
We have a family room, a media room, and a backyard, but somehow everyone always ends up in my kitchen along with their messes. That's when I call Stan.